Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your cruise control on the MK6 Golf. So all the cruise control stuff is controlled by this stock here on the left. So this is the one. So as you can see, there's an on and off button there. So you want to switch it on and this will show a difference display. Can you see there? So say I'm doing 60 miles an hour right now. All I have to do is press the top bit and it will set it to 60 miles an hour. It will say 60 right there. Oh, 1 second. Let me just bring it back. Okay, so if I press that button at the top while I'm doing 60 miles an hour, it'll say 60 miles an hour there and it'll keep the speed at 60 miles an hour. Yeah, and if you want to go up a speed, you just click it and it'll go up by 1 mile an hour. If you press it a couple of times, it'll go up in 5 miles per hour. And if you want to lower the speed, you just press the bottom one. So that'll lower the cruise control speed from there, which will say 50 or whatever. And if you brake or accelerate, it will stop. So if you brake, it will stop completely. You'll be in full control again. If you accelerate, it will accelerate for a bit and then it'll go back to the normal speed control that you've set there. And if you do brake, it will still keep your speed thing there, but you'll have to resume it. To resume it, you just press that button there again. That's it. So that's all the cruise control stuff. So you go up in speed with this, down in speed with that. To set it, you just press it once there. To turn it off completely, there you go. Simple as that. Or if you want to cancel it without having to press the brake or something, you just fling it to the middle a bit, cancel it, that's it. So we'll get rid of the speed and it'll go like that again. That's about it, guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.